Alrighty guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This one here is 10K gold. 10K. It is the two-tone with the, you see the diamond dust finish right there. It's the white diamond dust finish. Gives it that nice sparkle, that nice shine. Check that out. This is a 6 bottom, but you can get it done for the top or the bottom or a set. So you could do a 6 on 6, which is a very common set, or 8 on 8, or any other combination really. Yeah, but check it out guys. This is real gold, 10K gold. This is not gold plated. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.